And today we have this is the jewelry painting kit that we got. So we're just gonna give this thing a try and see what we think of it. So let's open it up and see. So let's show you guys what it comes with. Oh, you guys can kind of see on the counter. So it comes with a bunch of these. What are these? Oh, these are toothpicks. It comes with some toothpicks.
And some whatever those are, and some whatever.
Oh yeah, those are like the same things as these. Let's see. I'm guessing this is the jewelry that we paint. Oh, so this is what it looks like. So it's this, and then you can kind of see it's got plastic on the back, and then I guess you fill in the little holes, kind of like painting by numbers, but painting by holes there.
These are all the beads.
Wow, it comes with a zillion beads. We could get these things everywhere.
These are the colors.
And that's color paint. Cool. You want to give one of these a try? Okay. Should we put something down so Mom doesn't kill us if we get paint on the counter?
Nah, it's not like actual paint, so we'll be fine. Okay, so I'm gonna paint something really cute. I don't know what. We're gonna.
I'm not taking that chance. We're doing it on this.
I'm going to be doing this. I don't know what it is.
What is that one?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like a heart with wings.
So we're gonna use this pink first.
And I'm gonna do this one here.
Oh. Oh yeah, look at that.
But there's mine. I got little sparkles in it.
I'm making swirls.
Okay, so let's finish our little review though. But what do we think of these things? Do we give them a thumbs up?
These are really fun.
It's fun. So yeah, it's good fun craft. Definitely
For
inexpensive.
probably little kids.
Good for little kids. Good for big kids. I had fun, so I like it. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure my mom would have fun also.
Yeah, we're all having fun. So
my mom's weird.
we just need to get mom in here to help out. So thumbs up from us. If you want to pick one of these up, this is the jewelry painting kit. The link is going to be in the description down below. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And me and Olive will be back with some other stuff soon. Sorry, I didn't mean to knock you like that. But
my diamond seeped into the paint.
Okay, bye everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, thanks for watching.